Welcome to Home Decor USA, where we embark on a journey to redefine spaces and elevate the art of creating beautiful homes. In today's exploration, we're immersing ourselves in the world of Moody Farmhouse kitchens, uncovering the secrets to infusing your space with timeless charm and a captivating dark aesthetic. Picture a kitchen that transcends the ordinary, rich tones like charcoal and navy setting the stage for an enchanting culinary experience. Join us as we delve into the intricacies of design, where every element tells a story. It's not just about colors, it's about crafting an atmosphere. Imagine distressed wood elements, rustic beams, and reclaimed wood accents, transforming your kitchen into a sanctuary of history and character. This is where the Moody Farmhouse charm comes to life. Now, let's delve into the finer details. Matte black or oil-rubbed bronze hardware, adding a touch of sophistication and creating a seamless cohesion in your dark aesthetic. Consider dimmable pendant lights and under-cabinet lighting, allowing you to tailor the ambience to suit your mood. Crafting a Moody kitchen is about more than design. It's about creating an experience. Every choice invites you into a world where every detail has a purpose, where your kitchen becomes a canvas for your personal narrative. So, whether you're drawn to the timeless charm of rustic elements or captivated by the allure of a dark aesthetic, Home Decor USA is your guide to creating spaces that resonate. We appreciate your time spent with us on this inspiring exploration of Moody Farmhouse kitchens. Before we part ways, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, ideas, and any questions in the comments below. Your engagement is what keeps our community vibrant and growing. And as we bid adieu, remember that the journey to creating your dream home continues. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes on Home Decor USA, where we'll continue to unravel the mysteries of design, providing you with the tools and inspiration to transform your house into a haven that truly feels like home. Thanks for joining our journey into Moody Farmhouse kitchens. If you found inspiration, don't forget to subscribe for more home decor insights. Like this video if it sparked creativity, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your subscription fuels our passion to bring you captivating content. Until next time, happy designing.